Let me make this very clear. I am in support of law enforcement using body-worn cameras. I believe our role as legislators is to provide support and encourage discussions that help these professionals get body cameras on every law enforcement officer in this state as quickly as possible. But ultimately, the decisions relating to implementation should be made at the local level. Some people adamantly believe that more surveillance is better, that surveillance will lead to better behavior and accountability, and there's some evidence that body cameras are an effective deterrent in police and citizen misbehavior. However, with increased surveillance, the importance to protect public privacy and maintaining the integrity of law enforcement investigations cannot be forgotten. A study of body-worn cameras by the Rialto Police Department in 2012 found that in a single year, complaints against officers fell by 88%, and the use of force incidents fell 60%. A recent report released by the U.S. Department of Justice studied the use of body-worn cameras and found that cameras can help agencies demonstrate transparency and address the community's questions about controversial events. Among other benefits, the study found the presence of body-worn cameras have helped strengthen officer professionalism and helped to de-escalate contentious situations. When questions do arise following an event or encounter, police having a video record helps lead to quicker resolutions.
Stay together, stay together.
Statistics also show that body-worn cameras lead to speedier resolutions in internal affair investigations, an increase in criminal prosecutions, a rise in defendant plea bargains, and greater officer professionalism and more public trust. Currently in California, the regions of Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Leandro, among others, have developed best practices for the local utilization of peace officer body-worn cameras, with more cities soon to be added to the list. The ultimate goals for today's hearing is to examine and discuss the use of body-worn cameras by law enforcement, including the capturing, downloading, viewing, length of retention, and storage of video footage, the best case scenario for what body cameras can do to improve relations between law enforcement and the community, the ability of officers to view videos for report preparation, court testimony, and internal affairs investigations, what should be recorded and what can't be recorded for legal reasons, impacts on labor and management, developing a policy and procedure for use and who should do that, the legislature or professionals, transparency of use, privacy, and Public Records Act request, what can be or should be shared with the public, and what legally can't be shared, the cost of implementation, including equipment, training, and retrieval of storage.